In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the right mouse button on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the right mouse button on your Mac is not working as you feel like it should, then you will be able to customize how it works. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to access these options and allow you to customize your experience so you familiarize yourself. In order to do this, you have to click on the Mac icon at the top left and then go over to System Settings. So access the System Settings on your Mac. This will work for a MacBook, a standard desktop, whatever you have. On the System Settings, look for Mouse and choose the main category here, Mouse. Now, under point and click, one of the options that you are going to see listed is secondary click. This is what they refer to as the right mouse button. All that you have to do is set secondary click as click right side. So essentially, whenever you press the secondary click, as they call it, it is going to click on the right side of the mouse, allowing you to use the right mouse button just like you would in something like Windows. So now you can right click anywhere and you will see the menu pop up where you have all of the main options related to that right click. It is simple to do and it is going to work on any Mac. So go over to the System Settings on your Mac, look for Mouse, and under point and click, you will be able to change the behavior of the secondary click. You can also disable it altogether and browse through various different options. You can even set it to the left click as well, so choose whichever option you prefer. This is going to be useful if you are familiarized with Windows and you just want to access the standard context menu when you right click with your mouse like this. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please be sure to subscribe. As you can see, 82% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to the channel metrics. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.